Please have a photo along.
Papers, everything, but until unless how we base of it. So I'll give you a little bit. See, when we were in high school, college, I stayed in a rented house.
2022. I repeat it again. A bill was introduced for making financial education compulsory in schools. In 2022, it's still under the process. Before it becomes a law, this financial education will become part and parcel of your curriculum, and you'll be tested. If you don't pass the exams on these subjects, you will not be declared graduates. You might be understanding, I must just say that on a very lighter note, when we are discussing about some financial education, you might be wondering that I am picking up this word and I am using financial education, not financial literacy. And I'll come to that why I am using this word. On a very lighter note, somebody told me that what are we talking about financial education or how to manage our finance when we don't have money. Where is the question of any management? But this education, financial education, will give you the wisdom, knowledge and skill. How to acquire money. So don't have that misbelief that I don't have money, so I don't need to know about the financial management. But this financial management or the financial education will give you the skill how to acquire finance, how to manage in this digital world. Coming back to the financial education, now you find that